Very good morning to all of you. Start your trading day with Karvy Morning Moves. Market traded in choppy and ended flat on a Wednesday as participants turned cautious ahead of US Fed meet last night and GST Council meet today. Nifty ended flat with a loss of 2 points to settle at 30 points trading range by 9084. After clocking a record high on Tuesday, the strength in the rupee has weakened domestic IT stock prices, which in turn have restricted the Nifty intraday move to a very tight range. Our rupee climbed at a yesterday trade and settled a 16-month high on a hope of increased foreign investment into equities. On the global front, market in Europe ended higher last night ahead of US FOMC meet and the key political events lineup, while US large cap indices closed on a strong positive note, reacting to a less aggressive stance commonly on a Fed chief. As expected, FOMC has raised 25 basis points and has also maintained a status quo for the future rate hike, while it's expected to raise 0.75 to a 1% gradually piece. It has announced a second interest rate hike in 3 months and the third is at 10 years on Wednesday. Going forward on the domestic front, no major cues are lined up as expected the key outcome of GST Council and its implementation from July 1st. The Council has already passed 3 key bills and 2 main bills need to be passed. However, the underlying equities is very strong and the strength in the rupee also indicate a more inflow on the like of continue. Technically, Nifty has registered a record lifetime high on Tuesday and has forwarded narrow range inside dodgy patterns. It is also sustaining well above the 13 trading sessions range breakout and a gap up, indicating that the underlying bull trends is still strong. For now, the immediate support is placed around 9070 and below it's at 9000, while resistance comes in at 9170, 9180 and above it's at 9250, 9260. For the next couple of trading sessions, hence we recommend to traders to buy Nifty around 9130, 9140 levels for a target of 9250, keeping stop loss below 9080 levels. For a day, we have 5 calls, out of which we are giving a 3 long and 2 shorts. Idea is a long at 112, keeping stop loss of 109 for a target of 116. Juliet is a long at 793, keeping stop loss of 770 for a target of 820. Shram Transport Finance is a long at 1050, keeping stop loss of 1030 for a target of 1080. Dr. Reddy is a sell call at 2750, keeping stop loss of 2800 for a target of 2670. Bharat Finance is a sell call at 805, keeping stop loss of 820 for a target of 785. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.